Hey, today, I'm going to help you connect your iPhone to the Cricut Maker. But first, make sure your Cricut Maker is powered on, and then follow along. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Bluetooth. Step 3. Turn on your Bluetooth. Step 4. Find and select the Cricut Maker. Note: enter 0000 if asked for a pin to connect with the machine.
Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com. Or call us at 17868665932, 442039830480.